Jello Kingdom. Hello.
Whale. The whale is a member of the cetacean family. Whales are marine mammals that grow to more than 45 feet long and weigh up to 200 tons. There are up to 90 species of whales. Turtle. The female turtles lay over 100 eggs at a time and can have several clutches of eggs each year. Penguin. The average life expectancy of a penguin is 15 to 20 years. Some penguins may live longer and some may become victims of predators, but the average penguin lives for nearly 2 decades. Horse. Horses have lived on Earth for more than 50 million years. They originated in North America. They spread from there to Europe and Asia. Horses were first domesticated in Asia. Sheep. There are over 1 billion sheep in the world. China has the largest number of sheep. Giraffe. The giraffe's tongue can reach up to 20 inches long. The giraffe tongue is usually colored black, blue or purple to protect against the sun's UV rays. Dog. Dogs are carnivores, which means that they eat meat. Pet dogs eat dog food made with meat products. Wild dogs hunt animals. A female dog gives birth to a litter of puppies about 2 months after mating. A litter contains 2 to 12 puppies. Elephant. One elephant can eat 300 pounds of food in one day. People hunt elephants mainly for their ivory tusks. Adult females and young travel in herds, while adult males generally travel alone or in groups of their own. Cow. Like humans, cows are social beings. They cannot see the color red. It has been proven that if you get to know your cows and name them, they will produce more milk for you. Fox. A group of foxes is called a skulk or leash. Foxes have whiskers on their legs and face, which help them to navigate. A male is called a dog fox, while a female is called a vixen. Cat. Cats have 18 toes, 5 each at the front paws and 4 each on back toes. Raccoon. Raccoons are about the size of a medium dog. They have a bushy, ringed tails and a black mask across their faces. They look cute, but they are wild animals. They can bite and scratch. Deer. Only male deer grow antlers, which are shed each year. Rhinoceros. The name rhinoceros means nose horn, and it's often shortened to rhino. These brilliant beasts are known for their awesome giant horns. Lion. Lions are the second largest of all the big cats in the world, right after tigers. Zebra. Zebras can talk with their ears. Their ears don't make sounds, but different ear positions mean different things. They will be stuck up and pushed forwards when they are greeting other zebras. They will be pulled backwards when they are angry. Hedgehog. A hedgehog is a small mammal with porcupine-like sharp spines all over its body. When threatened or attacked, a hedgehog will curl into a ball, which emphasizes the prickliness to keep predators away. Bear. A giant bear is known to eat around 20 pounds of bamboo a day. Duck. When ducks clean themselves, it is called preening. Most duck eggs hatch within 28 days. Ducklings can fly within 5 to 8 weeks of hatching. They cannot feel cold in their feet, because their feet have no nerves or blood vessels. Hippopotamus. The name hippopotamus comes from the ancient Greek river horse. Hippos bask on the shoreline and secrete an oily red substance, a skin moistener, and sunblock that may also provide protection against germs. Rabbit. Rabbits and hares aren't the same thing. Hares have longer ears than rabbits and longer legs. They don't live in underground dens. Hare babies are born with hair. Rabbit babies are born naked. Chicken. Chickens can distinguish between more than 100 faces of their own species. Chickens know who's boss. They form complex social structures known as pecking orders, and every chicken knows his or her place on the social ladder. Tiger. Tigers are the largest wild cats in the world. Sea turtle. Sea turtle. Great white shark. Great white shark. Crab. Crab. Orca. Orca. Seahorse. Seahorse. Blue whale. Blue whale. Tiger shark. Tiger shark. Starfish. Starfish. Hammerhead shark. Hammerhead shark. Pufferfish. Pufferfish. Humpback whale. Humpback whale. Octopus. Octopus. Narwhal. Clownfish. Clownfish. Whale shark. Whale shark. Walrus. Walrus. Dolphin. Dolphin. Blue tan. Blue tan. Sea snail. Sea snail. Ichthyosaurus. Manta ray. Manta ray. Sperm whale. Sperm whale. Sea lion. Sea lion. Triggerfish. Triggerfish. Seal. Seal. Penguin. Penguin. Sea otter. Sea otter. Baby shark. Squid. Squid. Jellyfish. Jellyfish. Stingray. Stingray. marlin, lobster, lobster, elephant seal, elephant seal, alligator, alligator,